Is your mouse not working or did the pointer just disappear? Frustrating, right? But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to show you some quick and super easy fixes to get your mouse and pointer back on track in Windows 10 and 11. Let's get started. Step 1. Basic checks. Alright, first thing first, let's make sure it's not something simple. If you're using a wired mouse, check if it's plugged in properly. So try switching to another port. For wireless mice, make sure to check the batteries, and if you have another computer around, test the mouse on that. This will tell you if it's the mouse that's the problem or something else with your computer. Step 2. Check mouse settings. Press the Windows key and the letter R on your keyboard to open the run box. Now type main.cpl and hit enter. This will open the mouse properties window. Here you can tweak some basic settings under the mouse pointers tab. Check if enhanced pointer precision is enabled. It can sometimes help. If you are still facing issues, it might not be the settings causing the problem. So let's move on to the drivers. Step 3. Update or reinstall drivers. If your mouse still isn't working, outdated drivers might be the problem. You can try updating them manually by pressing Windows plus X, go to Device Manager, find your mouse under Mice and other pointing devices, and update the driver from the Driver tab. But let's be honest, manual updates can be time-consuming and don't always find the latest drivers. That's why I recommend using Advanced Driver Updater. It's a powerful tool that scans your system for outdated drivers and updates them automatically with just one click. Here's how it works. Download Advanced Driver Updater from the link in the description below. Open it, click Start Scan, and it will check for all the outdated drivers on your PC. Once the scan is done, click Update All to fix everything in one go, or pick specific drivers to update individually. It's super simple, saves time, and keeps your system running smoothly. If you want an easy way to handle driver updates, definitely check it out. Step 4. Fix missing pointer. Okay, now let's talk about the pointer. If it's gone missing, it might just be hiding because of some settings. Again, open the mouse properties window by typing main.cpl in the run box. Go to the pointer options tab. Here, uncheck the option that says hide pointer while typing. Also, make sure show pointer trails is unchecked. Click OK. Step 5. Use the troubleshooter. If none of this works, let Windows troubleshoot the issue for you. Press Windows plus I to open the Settings app. Then go to Update and Security and click on Troubleshoot. Click on Additional Troubleshooters. And if your mouse is wireless, click on Bluetooth and run the troubleshooter. Or you can search for the troubleshooter and run it. Windows will check for any issues and fix them automatically if it can. And that's it. By now, your mouse should be working perfectly and your pointer should be back. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.